Hi folks, welcome back. In this video I'd like to show you my latest attempt at the drawing board. As you can see here, I've designed a new item in SolidWorks and in the shape of a Lambretta engine stand. You can see the basic layout of it there, and it's about a foot high, and it's got one or two little differences to the ones that's readily available today. So if I zoom in on it, you'll be able to see, you see the main arm that goes across. This not only tilts in 360, but it also swivels in 360. So that's looking at the top, and it'll actually turn towards you as well. So you're looking straight at the cylinder head or whatever you want to look at the back end or the front end. So that's the top end turned, and then the actual front main bracket tilts as well. And it's got 8 positions on the arm at the front here. So it'll go in 8 positions on a little locking pin in behind here. If I move in behind you, you'll be able to see the little pin there. So that little pin is the same locking pin as the first engine stand I've made, and it also has a second one there for doing the twisting motion, which goes through the box section there into the back. I haven't actually drawn the holes in yet, but it will swivel 360 horizontally as well as vertically. So that's it's actually half made already, and I should be able to get it finished by middle of next week and give you an update on what it looks like. So I may yet, I'm not quite sure, this mount at the bottom here, the one at the very bottom, I may make that adjustable for different size scooters, not just Lambrettas. So this actual cross arm, the trans arm, I may make that longer, and I may make some different connectors. Rather than the fixed welded one here, I might make it so it's adjustable, so I can get all sorts of different scooters in there. That's just a thought, and rather than just being one make of one manufacturer basically. So that's it's relatively simple. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's only 10 pieces there, and that's quite a substantial. The main post here is quite a substantial piece of metal. It's really thick. It's and turned down for this top box here to fit over the top. Nice slide fit. So that's my prototype Lambretta engine stand. Pivots in both directions, which should make it a little bit more user friendly. So that's it for now, and I'll give you an update when I get nearer the finishing of the other one. So thank you all again for watching. Bye for now.